Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if your GTA San Andreas Mobile keep crashing or randomly closing, don't worry, in this tutorial I'll walk you through quick and effective steps to fix this. So for that, first of all, make sure your phone meets the minimum system requirement. GTA San Andreas need enough RAM and storage to run smoothly. So if your device is low on memory, it may crash frequently. After that, open up your settings and then inside settings tap on general. Inside general tap on iPhone storage, and inside iPhone storage search for GTA San Andreas and then tap onto it. Go ahead and tap on upload app, then tap on upload app again. Uploading the application will help you to free up the storage used by the app and will also help you to clear the cache. Also, you want to go ahead and free up your storage. Clear up unnecessary files or move media to cloud storage, and make sure you have at least 2 or 3 GB free. Once it is done, if you're still facing the problem, you want to go ahead and long press GTA San Andreas, tap on remove app, tap on delete app, then tap on delete again. Once you have deleted GTA from your mobile device, go ahead and simply open up your app store, search for it, and then reinstall GTA San Andreas in your mobile device again. So that's it guys. After following these steps, GTA San Andreas Mobile should run smoothly without crashes. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.